Guys, now we'll see different night shots. So I bought 3 brands from Pandiyans and it cost me 380 rupees. There's a different colors. This one is green, so it's called green shower. The another one from Pandiyans, Goldfish. This all will be 4 inches. And here we have some Kashimiri Chilli combined with red and green. So these 3 is similar but different colors. Here we have from Vinayaga. This I bought it for 430 rupees. It's very good packing. It's manufactured 3 September 2017. Big pop, green with sparkles. Looks good. This time first time I bought this Sony fireworks for sale, but it cost me 450 rupees. Thunderstorm. Sony also, it's similar to standard company. It's very good. It's one piece, same 4-inch shell, but it looks much bigger. So here we have Vanitha. This one also 450. Thunderstorm with the crackling effects. So the another product from Vanitha, it's called Copter. It cost me 600 rupees, but this one is 4.5 inch. It's very big and it's heavy also. For this product it looks different, so I will unbox and I will show you. Let's see how it looks inside. It's very big, huge size. Reason I will show you other Pandian Skyshot for 4 inches. Let's see how both looks. Now I will unbox this Sony product. This one already I told 450 rupees. But made sticker how it works, different colors. Products. So this one is small. This both looks similar. Length is same, but the width is more. This Vanitha sky color 3D shot. So 380, 450 and 600. So this is how it looks. So during bursting I will see how the function is different, which is good, which is bad. We'll come to know. I hope all these 3 will work fine. Let's see. Guys, now we're gonna see Copter from Vanitha. So which is very huge. I told you this cost 600. The functions looks like this. Pandiyans Gold. Let's see how it works. Sony Thunderstorm. We'll see how it works. Vanitha bad boy. So this is how it looks. Let's see how it works. Pandiyans green shower. Let's see. Pandiyans, another shot.